Yo, what is up guys? It's Steve from Digital Unraveled here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can skip through videos on TikTok. So they recently rolled out this feature where you could go ahead and play through the video really fast by skipping through it, and the first step would be to go to the Play Store on your phone. So I'm on an Android device, so I go to the Google Play Store, and then in the search bar you just want to search for TikTok. And then if you have an update available, it's going to go ahead and say update, and then you can go ahead and do the update. So this is a really recent update, so just make sure you update first, and then you can go ahead and you can go out your Play Store. And to make sure that you get the update when you open up TikTok again, you can force quit the app. So I'll just make sure I find TikTok here, and then you can just swipe up on it, and then that'll close out TikTok completely. And then you can go ahead and go back into TikTok. And now you can see I'm playing a TikTok video, and you can see a little bar at the bottom, and it's moving to the right hand side. So what you can do to fast forward is you can either just press on that bar at the bottom and then skip through. You can see this is a 50-second video. You can skip to any part that you would like to skip to. Another way of doing it is to pause the video and then skip through by dragging to the right. You can also rewind and go back to watch a part that you want to go ahead and watch again, which is great because sometimes you go ahead and find a moment within a TikTok video and you want to go ahead and play that again. So if I want to play that, you can just go ahead, tap on the line at the bottom and then rewind or fast forward. And that's pretty cool. Now I noticed that when I did some videos on TikTok, like you can see this video right here, there's no bar at the bottom to go ahead and try and fast forward or rewind on this TikTok. So I presume it's not available on every single TikTok. Like this one again doesn't have it. So you'll just have to make sure that you find one that has one of those lines that you can go ahead and skip through the video. So a lot of these aren't showing up, but here one shows up. So it must be a setting within the upload settings of certain accounts where you can go ahead and set that setting. Now that was kind of buggy, so it is kind of buggy if you don't do it right, but when you get it right, it is pretty cool. So previously, if you wanted to go ahead and fast forward or rewind a TikTok clip, you would have to go ahead and tap the share button and then find a video that has the save button where you can download it to your camera roll and then fast forward and rewind once it's downloaded onto your device. But with this new feature, you can just go ahead. So I noticed that if you tap on it wrong, it kind of bugs out, and you just have to tap on it again and then it will work correctly. So that is how you skip through videos on TikTok. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more social media tips and trends, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.